Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Okay, how do you do? Okay, I'm hoping you are always be fine, stay safe, and stay at home. Okay, for today, for Tri Gemilang, we are doing in Unit 10, which is a revision about Unit 10, the word around us. Okay, so for today we are going to emphasize about writing and reading skills by me, myself, Sir Muhammad Shazwan bin Razali, your one and only Sir One. Okay, so let's go to our lesson for today. Okay, today's success criteria will be you will be able to differentiate comparative and superlative adjective. And the second one is I will be able to write and answer at least 2 or 3 questions that have been prepared by me. Okay, let's go to the our lesson for today. First, I need you to always be reminded adjective. We are going to learn about adjective for today. So adjective is used to describe nouns. Okay, adjective in Malay, what we call that? We call adjective in Malay as kata sifat. Okay, so kata sifat. Adjective used to describe noun. Okay, noun. Who remembered in our last class what is actually a noun? Okay, a noun is kata nama. Such as example is kata nama you, Ahmad, Anisa, Arisa, Maisara, and who else in our class? Naufal. That is the example of noun. The other examples of noun is such as like is in this picture. Okay, what is in this picture? It is a house. House. It is big or small house. It is a big house. This house have 2 stories. Dua tingkat. So it is a big house. Okay. For example, this is big house. The big one, big in the purple one is adjective. Adjective yang menerangkan pasal house, yang menerangkan pasal rumah. So the purple one, the color purple one, you can see this, the big house. Big in purple. Purple is adjective. House is noun. So the sentence is Ahmad has a big house. Okay, Ahmad is subject. Okay, has is a verb, and then a big house is a predicate. Pelengkap ayat. So Ahmad has a big house. So we are focusing in big and house for today. Okay, so what is compare? Is comparative. So comparative is we compare 2 nouns such as in the picture here you can see the yellow sports car and then a bicycle. Okay, which one is being faster? From those 2 pictures we can tell that the yellow sport car is faster than bicycle. That is comparative. We compare between 2 nouns. The noun is the one is yellow sports car and a bicycle. Logically, the sports car should be faster than a bicycle. Okay, you can see the sentences that I have prepared here. The yellow sport car is faster than a bicycle. So when we comparing two nouns, it should be er after the root word first. We should add er when it is comparative. Bila kita compare dua perkara, dua benda, we need to put er. Okay. For example, the sentence here, you can see the sport car is faster than a bicycle. Er. Be remind, always use er to compare between two nouns. Okay, let's see the next example of superlative. Okay, what is all about superlative? Superlative, we compare three or more nouns. Just now comparative, we just compare between two nouns. Nouns, for the superlative, we need to compare between three or more nouns. Okay, so which one is being the fastest? Of course, the yellow sport car. The yellow sports car is the fastest than a bicycle and a snail. Snail ni apa? Siput. So the sport car is the fastest than a bicycle and a snail. So you need, what do you need to put after the fast? est, and then the word the. This want to point that the yellow sports car is the fastest, paling laju. Just now laju, lebih laju. Sekarang dia jadi paling laju because we compare between three or more nouns. Okay, you can see the example of the sentences here. The yellow sports car is the fastest than a bicycle and a snail. Got it? Do you got it? Okay, I hope you will get the lesson for today. Okay, let's see the next example. Okay, you can see the two person here, two guy here. The adjective is to describe those two guys is tall. Tall, what is tall in Malay? Tinggi. Okay, which one is the taller one? Okay, you can see the oldest ataupun the first guy. The first guy is taller than second guy. Okay, what we call this process? This is the comparative process. Because of what? We are comparing between two nouns. Yes, correct. Two nouns that we call as comparative. So the sentences here should be the first guy, which is the one, this is the first guy, is taller than second guy. Okay, we put what after the tall? Er. Okay, we put er because it is comparative, because we comparing between two nouns. Got it? Okay. Okay, let's see the other examples of superlative. Superlative, we use the same adjective like comparative. Okay, you can see here tall, tall. We have 5 guys in this picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, sorry, my bad. It is, we have 6 guys in this picture. Okay, so I would like to ask you, which one is the tallest one than anyone in this picture? Of course, the guy that wear a blue coat. He is the tallest guy. Okay, so comparative. The last guy is the tallest than anyone, or the blue coat guy is the tallest than anyone. Can you see the differences between the comparative and superlative? Like comparative, we use er after the tall. For the superlative, we use est and the words the here for the superlative. Why? because we are comparing between three or more nouns, three or more person in this picture. So be remember always comparative is between two nouns and superlative is between three or more nouns. Understand? Got it? Okay. So let's go to the okay, that's all for today, and let's do the practices in the link prepared in your WhatsApp group. Okay, so after this you can play this video again and again to get a better comprehension or understanding about what we are doing for today. Okay, for your textbook you can go to the page 102 and read about go puppy go go. There is a story about adjective there. So that's all for today. If you have further question to ask, you may ask personally. Okay, that's all for today. Stay safe and stay at home. Bye bye.